पर इसके अवसर पर हमारे तरफ से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। खासकर बच्चे और उनके अभिभावक यहाँ पर आए हैं, उनसे मैं कुछ अपना अनुभव शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। तो मैं आप लोगों से ये गुजारिश करूँगा कि थोड़ा ध्यान से हमारी बात को सुने। इसमें बच्चों के कैरियर ओरिएंटेड सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर मैं आपसे कुछ एडवाइस करूँगा। अगर आप लोग उस पर ध्यान देंगे तो बच्चे का कैरियर बढ़िया बन सकता है। अभी का मकसद ये होता है कि बच्चों की पढ़ाई लिखाई हम इसलिए कराते हैं कि बच्चे पढ़ लिख करके कोई सर्विस करें और एक बढ़िया पोस्ट से जाए और हमारी आर्थिक स्थिति मजबूत हो। हम जब वो मास्टर वारंट ऑफिसर राष्ट्रपति केवली गाँव का रहने वाला हूँ और मैं एयरफोर्स में लगभग 38 साल सेवा किया। 38 साल सेवा करने के बाद मैं सेवानिवृत्त हो गया हूँ और हमेशा इस स्कूल में जब भी कुछ फंक्शन होती है तो मुझे निमंत्रण दिया जाता है और मैं आता हूँ। इसके लिए प्रधानाध्यापक महोदय को और सारे स्टाफ को हमारे तरफ से ढेर सारी अभिनंदन। मैं बच्चों और उनके पिताजी से ये बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों यहाँ पर 8वीं क्लास तक स्कूल है, तो आपके करियर के लिए यहाँ पर एक सबसे बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट ये है क्लास 6। ध्यान से सुनना बच्चों, क्लास 6 आपका टर्निंग पॉइंट है। इस पॉइंट में आपको चयनित स्कूल में एडमिशन होता है। क्लास 6 से आपका उम्र जब 10 से 12 साल के बीच में होता है तो सैनिक स्कूल रक्षा मंत्रालय के अंतर्गत आता है। ये लगभग 37 स्कूल है पूरे इंडिया में। तो इसमें आप अगर 2 बार इम्तिहान होता है, उसमें आप जाते हैं और सिलेक्ट होते हैं तो आप कृपया वहाँ पे जाएं और पढ़ाई करें। वहाँ पर डायरेक्टली संबंधित पढ़ाई मुख्य रूप से होती है और उसको करने के बाद एनडीए नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी के तहत जाकर के आप अधिकारी बन सकते हैं। एयरफोर्स अधिकारी, जल सेना अधिकारी, जल सेना अधिकारी। एक दूसरा ये है, दूसरा रास्ता ये है कि जब आप 12th पास करेंगे तो 12th पास करने के बाद भी एनडीए के लिए इम्तिहान होती है जो यूपीएससी के माध्यम से होती है। ये भी साल में 2 बार होती है, तो उसके लिए भी आप लोग कोशिश करें। अगर क्लिक कर गया, अगर आप उसमें चले जाते हैं तो मैं तो समझता हूँ कि आपका बल्ले बल्ले लाइफ मौजा ही मौजा है ना। पूरे दुनिया में घूमेंगे और बिल्कुल रोमांचक स्काई फोर्स की तरफ। स्काई फोर्स देखे हो ना, फिल्म में स्काई फोर्स किसने देखा है? स्काई फोर्स की तरह चमकते रहोगे एकदम, ठीक है। तो मैं यही बच्चों के खास करके अभिभावक से मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है बच्चों को ध्यान उस तरफ उसको प्रेरित करें। और अगर डिफेंस सेक्टर में जाते हैं तो डिफेंस सेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है। और अभी तो ये है कि लड़कियों के लिए भी खुला हुआ है। पहले लड़की के लिए नहीं था, लेकिन अब लड़कियों के लिए भी जिस तरह से लड़कों का अवसर है उसी तरह से लड़कियों के लिए भी अवसर है। वो भी एक सेलर, जो एयर वॉरियर और इवन पायलट, ये सब बन सकती है। उसमें कुछ नहीं है, अगर उनकी इच्छा होती तो बन सकती है।
I am come from Tripoli village. I studied class 7 in Dr. Keshav Saraswati Hindu Mandir. I am going to present my speech on Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. Swami Vivekananda Jayanti is celebrated on the fourth Saptami Dasaran day after the full moon day. It is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. According to Hindu traditional calendar, Swami Vivekananda's birthday falls on the first Saptami Dasaran day after the full moon day. According to English calendar, Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. However, his birthday is celebrated according to Hindu calendar and this day is known as Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January Nagpur. His mother Bhuvneshwari Devi was a devout housewife. The teaching of Swami Vivekananda is the biggest philosophical asset of the country. Then in Jabal.
धन्यवाद भैया। My father Naresh Kumar. I come from Nagpur. I study in class 17. Dr. Kishan Singh Saraswati Shivu Mandir Para. I present my speech on Usanata. Usanata is a Pandit and freedom fighter of India. Usanata was born on 25th 1920 in Saral village near Surat, Gujarat. At the young age of 5, she saw Mahatma Gandhi, which inspired her deeply. Though her father, a British judge, did not participate in freedom struggle. Usanata was martyred at Gwalior and Mumbai. Later her name Kranti Maidan. Usanata embalmed his who hoisted the national flag that day. Later her but then she could not but it जय जय भारत भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद बहन, आप parents, guardians and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Shaka Kishan Pushpan. My father's name is Mr. Pintu Kumar Bharti. I read in class 16. Dr. Kishan Saraswati Shivu Mandir. I am come from Bhratwara village. I am going to my speech on Indian Navy. The Indian Navy is the strongest in the world. The President serves as the Indian Navy's Commander-in-Chief. It is the marine wing of the Indian Armed Forces. The Maratha Emperor Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle, who ruled in the 17th century, is known as the father of the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy job is to protect the nation's maritime borders and keep up with India's international through force visits, team training exercises, humanitarian missions and other activities. Additionally, it seeks to enhance your knowledge the Indian Ocean Zone. It's the Indian Navy Day as they enhance your knowledge one of the most wing of the Indian Armed Force. On December 4th, India celebrates Navy Day to honor the contributions and accomplishments of the Indian Navy to the nation. On December 4th, 1971, the India stands for Pakistan 6 leading PLS naval operation Trident, killing of hundreds Pakistani Navy soldiers. A variety of events occur in the days leading up to Navy Day, Navy Week and the days before that. An open sea swimming competition and open house on 6th for tourists and school children. A veteran of Navy sailors, performances by the Naval Symphonic Orchestra and Indian Navy. Inter-school youth competition, a Navy half marathon. In India, Navy Day is today observed to honor all the fallen soldiers and that complete to remember Operation Trident. Indian Navy sailors forced a strike on Karachi Harbour on December 4th. During Indo-Pakistani War, the Indian sailors throughout Russian the attack to avoid this in the modern Indian Navy has undergone changes to strengthen its relationship in the Indian Ocean region. The Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force are the three branches of Indian Armed Forces. The Indian Army defends us on land, Navy defends us in the sea and the Indian Air Force defends us in the air. That is the Bharat Mata ki Jai. Parents and my dear brother and sister, my name is Vishakha Kumari. My father's name is Mr. Amarjit Kumar. I come from Bhratwara. I studied classes in Dr. Kishan Saraswati Shivu Mandir. I am going to present my speech on Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was from 1976 Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. Her full name is Indira Gandhi. She was only child of Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. Her Jawaharlal Nehru led India political struggle for independence from British rule and became the first Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was mostly taught at home. She also studied Vishwa Bhakti in Shanti Niketan. She took active part in the freedom struggle for India. She became the chief of the Communist Party in 1964. Indira Gandhi became Minister of Information and Broadcasting. Dr. Lal Bahadur Shastri government began to Bharat Ratna India. Parents and my dear brother and sister, I am Ullena. My father's name is Mr. Chandra Kumar. I come from Gujarat. I study in class second in Dr. Saraswati Institute, Natwara. I am going to present my speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet and Canadian son of his parents. He was a leader of the 19th century Bengal. He took his early education at the house he was accepted in England University for 17 for religion, for all, explaining how he was not complete Bharat Ratna. धन्यवाद भैया।
Recording by Event Studio Solo. समर्पित मन समर्पित ऐ वतन
रखा था, मैं आप सभी के समक्ष वाल्मीकि पर कुछ बोलने जा रहा हूँ। वाल्मीकि को सभी से इतना ग्रंथ माना जाता है, वे रामायण के रचयिता थे। तो भारतीय संगीत का एक मुख्य गीत है रामायण में भगवान राम के जीवन और उनके आदर्श का वर्णन है। रामायण वाल्मीकि को आदि कवि कहा जाता है। प्रथम कवि कहा जाता है कि वाल्मीकि पहले गात्र थे, जिनका नाम रत्नाकर था। नारद मुनि से मिलने के बाद उन्होंने तपस्या की और राम नाम का जप किया। कठोर तपस्या के दौरान उनके शरीर पर तीनक ने घटना जाता। वाल्मीकि ने सीधा और उससे पूछ लिया और उसको अपना आश्रम किया था। ये एक ज्ञानी और बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने ज्योतिष में खगोल विद्या प्राप्त की थी। My teachers, co-workers, guardians, parents, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Agar's son. My father's name is Mr. Arvind Kumar. I am in class 6 with Dr. Kishore Saraswati. I am going to present my speech on Narendra Modi. Among you 1 to 5 years, please describe before me. Full name of Narendra Modi is Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He was born on 17 September 1950 in Yeshnagar, Mehsana district, Gujarat. He was born into a middle class family. His father's name was Damodar Das Modi and his mother's name was Leelaben. At the age of 30, he was engaged with Yashodaben Chamandas and when he was married, he was just 17. At the age of 8, Modi discovered the RSS and began attending its local Sarhouse training center. He mainly focused on social and cultural development organization, national volunteer organization. He served as a judge in Kings of Bengal in 1967. He played an important role in several occasions due to his work with RSS. In 1987, Narendra Modi entered into the main political stream by joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. He truly pioneered the challenging task of enabling the party worldwide because of the party started to create the political balance. In 2001 general elections, Modi once again as Chief Minister of Gujarat. In 2007 election, the BJP lead by once again Narendra Modi and gave the massive majority. In 2012 general elections, the BJP lead by once again Modi and gave the large majority. Modi was sole contributing politics minister of Gujarat. Due to his skill and the style, Narendra Modi was declared as a candidate for Prime Minister. He visited the whole India. Under his leadership, the BJP gained phenomenal success. On May 26, 2014, election, Narendra Modi returned as Prime Minister and good protective discipline. volunteer during armed conflicts. It was officially established on 8 October 1932 as the luxury air force of the British India, which had not India's aviation service during World War. Since 1950, the IAF has been involved in 4 wars with neighboring Pakistan. Other major operations undertaken by the IAF include Operation Vijay, Operation Meghdoot, Operation Cactus, and Operation Kumala. The IAF mission spent minute engagement with hostile forces. Until today, the Indian Air Force was established in year 1932 on October 8 with 6 lieutenant officers and 19 checkpoints. The Indian Air Force began a stronger with the equipment of many flights over the course of time. The Indian Air Force helped the British during World War to combat in the air. The IAF is the air support of the Indian Armed Force. Its primary mission is to secure alien conflict and protect the airspace. More than 1,70,000 personnel are in service with the IAF. In terms of equipment and many flights over the course of time. Bharat Mata ki jai. वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पाछू में जहाँ भी मेरी दुनिया रहे तू, पाछू में जहाँ भी मेरी दुनिया रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की याद आने नहीं तू, तुझ पे कोई गम की याद आने नहीं तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साथ रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साथ रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मेरा रहे तू। भारत माता की जय।
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, हो आज रंग दे, हो माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, 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 पानी रंग दे बसंती चोला।
Thank you.
चोला मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला आज रंग दे मैं रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला 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 माए रंग दे बसंती चोला
It is time of exercise, sir. No
India celebrates 77th Army Day on 15th January 2025. The Indian Army realignment from Army to East India Company is due for become British India, and the country state of Army later in 1895 the armies of Bombay, Bengal and Madras presidencies combined from unified Indian Army. Over 1.5 million participated in the First World War. Around 70,000 lost their lives in this war, and the Indian Gate was built in memory of their martyrdom. The Indian Army has a horse cavalry regiment and is considered to be a last fully operational horse-mounted regiment in the world. The highest peak in the world, the Valley Ridge, is located between the River Dras and Kuru in Ladakh Valley, was built by Indian Army in 1982. Operation Rahar was one of the most civilian rescue operations ever carried out in the world. High altitude air school is one of the most elite training centers in the world. It is during troop people evacuate during massive loading to the communities. The Indian Army controlled the sea last year. It is 500 meters above sea level and is the highest battlefield in the world. The Indian Army has never collaborated the first military attack of any nation to gain power from them. In the list of fire power, Indian Army ranks fourth position after USA, Russia and China. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Unrespected and to continue Ghana as to 18 April 1928 to celebrate Papa going to also become a freedom fighter as so Dr. Balram and Virat Krishnan and Sukhdev Papa